Welcome to the introduction on why updating your date of birth on Instawork matters. Instawork uses your date of birth for essential identity verification, background checks, and ensuring you meet age requirements for certain gigs. An incorrect date of birth can result in denied shifts or payment delays. As of 2026, Instawork has implemented enhanced security measures for DOB updates to maintain platform integrity. Due to increased security concerns, you can no longer directly edit your date of birth in the Instawork app. Instead, you must submit a request through Instawork's support team with verifying documentation. This is to prevent fraud and protect your identity, aligning with data privacy regulations. This change aligns with data privacy regulations and helps protect user information from unauthorized access. Instawork implements a fraud prevention cycle to ensure the security of all updates. The new process requires submitting a request with verification documents through the support team. Start by opening the Instawork app on your smartphone. Once the app is open, locate and tap the menu icon, typically represented by 3 lines or a hamburger icon in the top corner. From the menu, select the Profile option to access your personal account details. Within your profile, look for Account Settings and tap on it. Then select Personal Information from the Settings menu. Finally, you should see an option labeled Update DOB. This is where you can initiate the date of birth update request. After initiating the request, you'll be prompted to upload a clear photo or scan of a government-issued ID, such as your driver's license or passport. Ensure the document clearly displays your correct date of birth and that the name matches your Instawork profile. Multi-factor authentication using a code sent to your phone or email might be required for added security. Once submitted, Instawork's support team will review your request and the provided documentation. The average processing time is currently 3 to 5 business days. You'll receive a notification in the app or via email regarding the approval status. Once Instawork reviews your DOB update request, you'll receive confirmation. If approved, the corrected date of birth will appear in your profile immediately. Be sure to check your account for any changes to shift eligibility that might affect your available work opportunities. If the request is denied, you'll get specific feedback explaining why, along with instructions on how to resubmit with the proper documentation. When updating your date of birth on Instawork, you might encounter some common issues that can delay the process. Let's review the main reasons for denial and how to avoid them. One common reason for denial is submitting a blurry or incomplete ID scan. Make sure the image is clear and shows all necessary details. Another issue is when the name on your ID doesn't match the name in your Instawork profile. Ensure the names are exactly the same to avoid rejection. Expired documents can also cause denials. Always verify that your ID is current and hasn't expired before submitting. To avoid these issues, make sure your ID is valid, the image is clear, and the name exactly matches your Instawork profile. If you encounter issues or need personalized assistance, contact Instawork support directly through the app. Instawork is exploring AI-powered document verification to reduce processing times from days to hours, making the DOB update process much faster and more efficient. Additionally, blockchain technology will provide secure, decentralized identity management, allowing users to store and update their DOB securely without relying solely on centralized support. These future updates aim to streamline the DOB update process while maintaining the high security standards that Instawork prioritizes. Stay tuned for these improvements in the coming months.